Hi everybody, today here's Kyle and
Matt
and
Spiderman. So today we've got our Collectors Corp's Marvel Spider-Man box. So we're going to open it and see what's in here.
yay! There's
Ready?
always pops and something.
So a pin and a patch first, right?
Yep.
And they both have Spider-Man on it, shocker. Take that out of there.
Shocking! People that make these boxes, please stop gluing them. It's so annoying.
How else are they supposed to put them in there?
Tape them.
Oh, okay. So we've got the patch, as always.
Oh my gosh. There, I got it.
We hold it up for them so they can see it, okay. The pin. Add that to our patch and pin collection there.
There.
Alright. Inside. You don't know what you're screaming about.
Ooh. We got 2 comics. Look at, I like this.
Let's not take it out. So we've got a Spider-Man comic. Of course, it's got the Collectors Corp variant cover on it.
Yeah, that's mine. That's definitely mine.
And then we've got
Issue Spider-Man.
Spider-Man Fabrications.
Wait, we got a Boba Fett one of those.
Go and get him out. Oh,
This
he's
is
really strapped in.
everything that's going to be on there. And the hat is going to be mine. Cool Spider-Man pop.
I'll be thrilled about that, but you got another hat. Alright, so we got the Spider-Man.
Oh my gosh, why would you want these rocks?
Easy there, dude.
Hard as a rock.
Alright, so we've got that. He's
If you like sleeping
weighted
with
on the
rock.
bottom, which is actually pretty cool because it makes him stand up. That's why he's hard on the bottom and weighted on the bottom.
If you like sleeping with rocks, this is for you.
And then we've got the hat.
That's going to be mine.
Yeah, I figured.
And look at
Don't bend the bill,
look
okay?
at right there. Look at the bottom right there.
You hear me?
I never like
Don't
bending
mess it up.
Never like bending it.
Alright.
I always bend my
Here, let's see.
have
Take it
some
off.
way down there. Right? By the way, I got that on our trip. On our road
On
trip.
a road trip. You can go check out over on My Weekly Adventures.
How many pounds do we have?
We have 2.
I can't. Oh.
Well, it's like, got like this weird flip up, but oh well. We'll leave it that way. Alright, and then the last one, of course, we got a pop, which is cool. Let's open it up. Check it
Not my
out.
size.
Well, you got a little head, dude. So I like it when they do this. They did this with Iron Man. Can't remember what else they did this with.
Boba Fett.
Oh yeah, Boba Fett. They have them on a stand, so you can see them like in action jumping, which is pretty cool. All right, so that's our Spider-Man box.
Yup.
We have a Smuggler's Bounty box coming pretty soon from Star Wars, so we'll have that up soon.
So uncomfortable.
So that's all we got. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.